Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best turkey brine is probably one of the most effective ways to ensure a juicy and flavorful turkey, perfect for any holiday feast. This method involves submerging your turkey in a saltwater solution, often infused with herbs and spices, allowing the bird to absorb moisture and seasoning deep into the meat. The result is a tender, succulent turkey that is sure to impress your guests and elevate your holiday meal to the next level. Number 5. Fire and Flavor Turkey Brine Kit. Want the best tasting turkey? This kit makes it easy. In just 5 simple steps, you can achieve a flavorful and juicy turkey every time. This brine uses a classic combination of herbs and spices. It's designed to be a crowd pleaser at any gathering, maximizing flavor with minimal effort. The kit includes everything you need, except the turkey itself. You'll get the brine mix, a large brining bag, detailed instructions, and even some recipes. This kit is versatile, suitable for turkeys up to 25 pounds. You can roast, grill, smoke, or fry your turkey. It simplifies the process, no matter your preferred method. Fire and Flavor is dedicated to providing delicious and convenient cooking solutions. From the fire to the flavor, they help you create mouth-watering results with their products. What we like. This kit offers a classic flavor profile that's sure to please a crowd. It comes with everything you need, making the brining process simple and convenient. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution that delivers a delicious turkey, this is the one for you. What people say. The instructions were simple to follow, and the blend of herbs and spices gave the turkey a nice flavor, even thought I rinsed it off prior to roasting. The best part was how juicy and tender the meat turned out. It only took 30 hours to cook, the bird was done perfectly and was very moist. The brine infused the meat with a perfect balance of bold, zesty flavors, adding just the right amount of spice without overwhelming the natural taste of the turkey. The skin came out beautifully crisp, and the meat was incredibly juicy and tender. Number 4. San Francisco Salt Organic Turkey Brine Kit. This organic turkey brine kit adds moisture and flavor. The result is a tender and delicious turkey. You'll love it. This kit is certified organic and kosher. It's made without any MSG, soy, gluten, dairy, or anti-caking agents. It's a great choice. The 13-ounce brining kit is ideal for turkeys between 18 and 22 pounds. It's the perfect size for your holiday meal. Try it on chicken and pork too. The garlic rosemary flavor enhances any meat. It's a versatile product. San Francisco Salt Company is confident you'll love it. If you're not satisfied, they will make it right. They stand behind their products. What we like. This brine kit is certified organic and kosher, ensuring high-quality ingredients. Its garlic rosemary flavor adds a unique and delicious touch to your turkey. If you are looking for a healthy and flavorful option for your holiday meal, you should consider this. What people say. This kit has everything you need to infuse your turkey with amazing flavor and juiciness. The included BPA-free brine bag is a game changer. It's sturdy and large enough to hold even a big turkey with room for the brine. I had a 15-pound turkey and the bag was probably big enough for 2 of them. I'm certain this could easily fit a 25-pound turkey. Number 3. Urban Accents Gourmet Gobbler Turkey Brine Kit. This kit is designed to help you create the perfect turkey. It includes a spiced brine blend, a smoky peppercorn turkey rub, a brine bag, and easy-to-follow instructions. This will help you roast a delicious turkey. The included brine bag is both BPA-free and biodegradable. This means it's safe for your food and better for the environment. You can brine your turkey with peace of mind. This kit is versatile and can handle a large turkey. It's perfect for Thanksgiving, or any time you're roasting a big bird. You can also use it for chickens and quails. This product is part of the Stonewall Kitchen family of brands. They offer award-winning gourmet food, home goods, and gifts. You can find many other great products from them. Stonewall Kitchen started in 1991 at a local farmer's market. They have grown into a family of lifestyle brands. Their products are made with premium ingredients and are the result of decades of experience. What we like. This kit includes a spiced brine blend, a smoky peppercorn turkey rub, and a heavy-duty BPA-free brine bag. It's designed for birds up to 24 pounds, making it perfect for large gatherings. If you like a complete package with extra seasonings and a large capacity, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Having everything, brine, bag and seasoning in one package made it so easy. The spiced brine blend and smoky peppercorn turkey rub imparted a rich and flavorful taste that had my guests raving about the turkey all night. The heavy-duty BPA-free brine bag is not only environmentally friendly but also spacious enough to accommodate a sizable 24-pound bird. Number 2. Rodelle Turkey Brine Gourmet Spice Blend, 25 ounces. This gourmet spice blend is made with the finest ingredients. It's designed to transform your holiday turkey from ordinary to extraordinary. The blend is carefully crafted to enhance the natural flavors of the turkey. Using it will ensure a delicious and memorable meal. This product uses only the best ingredients. It's a simple way to make your turkey the star of the show. This brine will take your turkey to the next level. It's the secret ingredient for a truly exceptional holiday feast. Make your holiday meal unforgettable with this blend. It's the perfect way to impress your guests and create lasting memories. What we like. This gourmet blend is made with the finest, wholesome ingredients. It is designed to elevate your holiday turkey from good to great. If you like a simple yet effective way to enhance your turkey's flavor, you should consider this. What people say. The spices used infuse a great flavor to the meat without being overpowering, and following the mixing dilution recommendations on the package, it did a great job without leaving the meat tasting salty. I let a 21-pound turkey sit in the brine for 18 hours, overnight, in the fridge. Gave a lovely flavor to our bird. Washed off easily when brining was done. Number 1. Kosmos Q Turkey Brine, Juicy and Flavorful Turkey. This premium turkey brine mix seals in moisture and rich, savory flavors. It's perfect for smoked, roasted, and fried turkey, ensuring tender and mouth-watering results every time. It features a bold blend of spices, brown sugar, and Worcestershire. This enhances poultry and barbecue gatherings with a sweet and savory kick. Just mix 1 cup of this brine with a gallon of water. Soak your meat for an hour per pound, then rinse and air dry. It's great for smoking, baking, or frying with minimal effort. This brine isn't just for turkey, it's also perfect for chicken, pork, and shrimp. It infuses your meats with bold barbecue flavors, ideal for grilling, smoking, or holiday cooking. Crafted and tested by barbecue champions, this product is designed for competition-level flavor. It delivers unforgettable, bold-tasting meals every time you use it. What we like. This brine mix promises a juicy, flavorful turkey with a bold blend of spices. It's trusted by barbecue experts and is versatile for various meats. If you are looking for a competition-level flavor for your turkey, you should choose this. What people say. The turkey turned out incredibly moist, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. The brine and dirty bird spice shake created the perfect balance of savory and spice. Works very well. Also so easy to use when brining a turkey. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.